Welcome back. In the previous video, I walked you through the configuration of Neuron's OPC UA client to connect with the Kepware server. Now, let's take the next step and seamlessly integrate OPC UA server tags into our data model. This can be accomplished using the intuitive drag and drop mechanism, where settings are automatically populated, or through manual configuration if you prefer a more hands-on approach. For detailed guidance on manual setup, feel free to consult our knowledge base. To integrate OPC UA server tags into our data model, I'll open the OPC browser in Neuron. After selecting the client, I'll click on Rebrowse to see a list of nodes from our endpoint. Navigating through Objects, Channel 1, Device 1, and Tank 01, I simply drag Tank 01 to the model section and drop it into the desired folder, such as the root folder. I repeat the same process for Tank 02. Great! The integration of level and temperature tags for each tank into our data model was successful. Now, I move to the Data section and navigate to the Real-Time tab. As expected, the tags with the values for level and temperature for each tank are displayed correctly. Alright, let's dive in and set up some tags, starting from scratch. First, let's delete the existing group folder for Tank 01. Now, we'll recreate the group folder for Tank 01 and add two tags inside, one for level and another for temperature. Let's set the level and temperature tags to number type. Next, in the source configuration, I'll enable the source and select module type as OPC UA client from the drop-down menu. Also, remember to choose module name as OPC UA client, just like we named it earlier. Next, enter the name of our OPC UA client, which I've called Kepware server. Then, input the node ID and choose the data structure as scalar, since our data type here is a number. Notice the handy OPC browser shortcut? You can use that to easily select the tag you want to incorporate. Repeat the same process for the temperature tag. Once I've configured these settings, I'll move over to the Data section and hop into the Real-Time tab. Great! The tags with the readings for level and temperature for Tank 01 are now showing up correctly. Easy! We've successfully completed setting up the OPC UA client module video series. See you in the next video.